Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by opening Chrome and jumping straight to Settings notifications, so you act now. Once there, make sure Chrome is updated in the Play Store and note your Android version. This matters because menus differ. Next, locate the specific site or notification channel labeled as ads or unknown. You want to isolate the offender. Doing this first prevents broad changes. It lets you target the source rather than disabling useful alerts or system features. Once you've found the site, tap it and choose Block or Clear and reset so new permissions stop immediately. You can also open site settings and revoke the notifications permission entirely. That prevents any background push. If ads keep reappearing, go to Chrome History and clear recent site data for that domain. Cached scripts can retrigger prompts. These steps remove both permission and lingering data, which is why you do both. Permissions stop new pushes and clearing data removes leftover ad code. To finish, check for any installed progressive web apps or third-party apps that might register as senders and uninstall them. That often stops persistent ads. If notifications persist, open Android Settings Apps Chrome Storage and clear cache. This removes stored scripts. As a last troubleshooting tip, reset Chrome settings to default before reinstalling. It preserves bookmarks but clears extensions and site permissions. If that still fails, reboot the device and verify the issue is resolved.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.